l'ai pour la vie. Oh, je te jure, t'es la seule que je kiffe. Oh, maman, t'es l'amour de ma vie. Oh, je ne peux rien sans toi dans ma vie. Bébé, je ne pourrais pas m'éloigner. Si seulement, bébé, si seulement tu pouvais voir combien moi je t'aime. Mon bébé, si seulement tu peux voir, je lui me peux témoigner. Si seulement, bébé, si seulement tu pouvais voir combien moi je t'aime. Mon bébé, si seulement tu peux voir, je lui me peux témoigner. L'amour que j'ai pour toi, c'est bébé. Je t'aime, tu es la seule que je vais coller. Je t'aime, l'amour que j'ai pour toi, c'est bébé. Je t'aime, je sens comme si je vais m'envoler.
Hello everyone and welcome to this new Arduino tutorial video. I first of all start by thanking you all very much because you made the community to grow from 18 subscribers up to 106 subscribers in just less than a month. I would like to thank you, all of my viewers, all of my subscribers. Thank you very much. And I want to also tell you I'm very sorry because I could not record a video last week. I was occupied, but with no problem, we are having a video this week, and please continue subscribing. So today we'll be working on an ultrasonic sensor. This is simply an ultrasonic sensor here. It has an emitter and a receiver. It emits an ultrasonic sound at 40,000 megahertz of frequency. If an obstacle is on the way, it is going to bounce back to it. So this is how the thing functions. It emits an ultrasonic sound like this from one of its sides, and then if there's an object found here, as it bounces on the object reflects on it. So this is it. It emits here, and then the reflection is gotten here, and that is how, if we consider the emission time and then the speed of sound, which is approximately 240 meters per second, I think we can get the distance of distance from which the ultrasonic sensor is away from our object. And so it has 4 pins, which have the ground. We should be putting it to the ground of the Arduino board. We have the VCC put into the 5 volts of the Arduino board. We have the trick, and then we have the echo pin, which you can put it wherever you want. So the trick is the one that sends the sensor, the ultrasonic sound, and then the echo receives it. So without much talking, it is not very complicated to do the wiring. I'm going to do the wiring in less than a minute now. So after doing this wiring up, which I'll obviously put a diagram about the wiring inside the video description, plug Arduino, and then we'll try upload the code to it. After uploading the code, I'll try to measure the distance with a ruler. So after uploading the code, we'll see the distance there in centimeters is 0 because there's nothing in front of our ultrasonic sensor. So I'll start approaching it from very far. The distance is reducing, constantly reducing up till it will be around 14 centimeters at a certain point. So I am now here around 11 centimeters, 12. So as I push it in front, it reduces up to 9. It goes now up to 8, goes up to 7. It is approximate up to 3 centimeters. The proximity is up to 3 centimeters. So that is how the thing just functions, and you can use it basically in front of an obstacle avoiding robot, for example. And very soon I'll be making a project on a blind cane in order to help blind people with their canes. So we'll be using an ultrasonic sensor in order for them to get a distance at which it is going to alert them if an obstacle is found in front of them. The code is a very short and brief one, so which I will briefly explain. So we just include the ultrasonic library, which comes predefined already inside the Arduino IDE, and then you create now an object, ultrasonic. The object here in this case is ultrasonic, where I'll put the pins, where I'll put the trigger and the ego ones. And then inside the setup, I'll just initialize my serial monitor. Then here I do now just put a simple print, the distance in centimeters, which should be printed every time. And then here this ink means that by it does the conversion from inches into centimeters. And then here now it's just a simple printing, because there's a function they call distance width. So just call the function from the object which you created, and then it is printed every 1 second. So that is basically all the whole code. Okay, and as I told you, it can be used mostly in systems such as car brakes, in order to calculate the distance before an collision occurs. It can also be used in avoid robots. It is the eye of a robot, because the robot does not see, so it can be his eye to see whether there's a distance, the distance in front of him is, there's an obstacle in front of him or not. It can be used also to measure the distance of in the sea. It can be used in very much domains, and as I said, I'll be using it very soon. I'm working on a project very soon. I'm going to present it to all of you, and I think the video is finished. So I would like to thank you all very much for watching the video, and thank you again very much for the subscription, all of you are doing. I would like to ask you to continue subscribing, and share the videos. If you have any problem, just put it in the comments, and I'm going to solve it. Thank you very much, and continue subscribing. See you next week for another tutorial video.